To categorize transactions in Mint, start by logging into your Mint account and navigating to the Transactions page. Here you will see a list of all your recent transactions, including purchases, income, and transfers. Begin by selecting a transaction you want to categorize, and click on the category field next to it. Mint will provide you with a list of suggested categories, such as food, transportation, or entertainment. Choose the category that best fits the transaction, or select Create a new category if none of the suggested options are suitable. One key concept to keep in mind when categorizing transactions is to be as specific as possible. For example, instead of categorizing a transaction as simply food, you could categorize it as groceries or dining out. This will help you get a more accurate picture of where your money is going and make it easier to track your spending over time. Another important concept is to be consistent in your categorization. Try to use the same categories for similar transactions, and avoid using overly broad or vague categories. This will help you avoid confusion and make it easier to analyze your spending habits. In addition to categorizing individual transactions, Mint also allows you to set up rules for automatically categorizing certain types of transactions. For example, you could set up a rule to automatically categorize all transactions from a certain vendor or with a certain keyword as a specific category. To set up a categorization rule, navigate to the Rules page in Mint and click on the New Rule button. Then select the type of transaction you want to categorize, such as all transactions from a certain vendor, and choose the category you want to apply. You can also add additional criteria, such as a specific keyword or amount, to further customize the rule. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively categorize your transactions in Mint and get a clearer picture of your financial situation. Remember to be specific, consistent, and take advantage of automation rules to make the process easier and more efficient.